Mirrors down? Yeah. I'm going in, yeah, I'm going in. Yo, do it once without the music.
Alright. Ready? Oh, that means standard for you guys, just to piss you off.
Go.
Okay.
Holy shit. Oh shit. You said 120, dude.
How quick was that?
The turbocharger didn't kick in yet. The turbocharger didn't kick in yet. You'll hear it when it kicks in. I've never kicked it in the turbocharger yet. After 120, you'll hear, and then it just takes off.
Fuck.
Well, here's you guys.
No. The car does that when it's in first gear. It's a transition gear.
Yo, this
What speed is this?
Fuck. Kingsway.
Fucking, it's 40 here.
Go back.
Yeah, what's 40 all over you driving?
Yeah, but there's no cops
Yo,
in here.
this is the sickest car I've ever fucking been in. It's a bitch, yeah?
Is it this?
Yeah. It's like right there.
Oh shit, the driver's like extended.
Yeah.
You'll make it there.
Yeah, that was fucking amazing.
Hello?
Yeah.
My beach.
When I took it for a spin, I don't want to drive a car like that. Holy shit.
No, I'll take you when we go on the highway. I'll take you when we go on the highway. Yo.
Holy shit.
Yo, I want to get the isomatic stuff.
You better do fucking good the first year. I swear, I'll talk you into it. I will.
Yo, there's this one exhaust to the car.
Yeah.
It's like, it's just a bolt-on exhaust. Like, it's nothing special, but that's